Today we will explore the swift and simple process of blending two images seamlessly. To begin, ensure you have two distinct images ready for the task. To follow along with this tutorial, I have provided a link to the images in the description. Firstly, select both the layers. Then navigate to the edit menu and choose Auto Blend Layers. With this, a dialog box will pop up. Here, opt for Stack Images and maintain these settings to the default. Upon completion, click OK. Perfect. Your two images are now flawlessly blended in a matter of seconds. Occasionally, you may encounter edges that need attention. To address this, disable the top layer. This simple step will eliminate any visible edges, providing you with a polished final result. Perfect. Don't forget to write in the comments about today's video. This will help us to improve our content and deliver better results to you. And tell us what you want to see in the upcoming episodes. Till then, bye-bye, take care.